Alright, so I bought this car a few days ago. It has the Evo turbos in here. I think these are 20G turbos. I'm not 100% sure, but these look like 20G turbos. Apparently it has knocking noise, said the bottom end or something like that. And take the heads off, looking at them. Heads are brand new. I'm not sure if these are stock cams, I'm not sure, but I have to look a little bit further to see. But apparently the car doesn't start. The fuel pump is in the trunk, it's completely rotted, and this car been parking for 8 years. I guess previous dyno shows the car was making 500 and something horsepower. So